Valentina Shevchenko, 15-3 MMA, 4-2 UFC, announced herself as an immediate contender at 125 pounds, scoring a brutal beatdown of UFC newcomer Priscila Cachoeira, 8-1 MMA, 0-1 UFC, in a fight that should have been stopped well before it was. The women's flyweight bout was the co-main event of today's UFC Fight Night 125 card at Mangueirinho Gymnasium in Belém, Pará, Brazil. It aired on FS1 following prelims on FS2 and UFC Fight Pass. Shevchenko was crisp early, firing rapid punches that landed flush on the mark. Cachoeira was firm in the pocket, trying to shake off the damage and fire back. But Shevchenko's left hand was precise and stunned her foe in the early going. Despite the advantage on the feet, Shevchenko decided to press forward for a takedown, where she unleashed some brutal ground and pound blows, slashing open Cachoeira and splattering blood all over the canvas. Referee Mario Yamasaki watched the action closely, and Cachoeira showed respectable heart. But Shevchenko was just vicious with each successive blow. Cachoeira tried desperately to tie things up underneath, but Shevchenko simply pummeled away at the body before again posturing and dropping elbows to the face. Shevchenko took the fight to the floor immediately in the second, moving to side control before locking in a crucifix and pummeling away on her opponent's face. Shevchenko briefly turned her attention to the right arm but couldn't get an earnest attempt at a submission, turning her attention back to the striking game. With Cachoeira trapped on her back, Shevchenko just absolutely mauled her with blow after blow. Cachoeira eventually turned her back, allowing Shevchenko to latch in a fight-ending rear-naked choke at the 4:25 mark of the second frame. Fight metric statistics showed a 217-1 advantage in strikes for Shevchenko in the one-sided beatdown, with Shevchenko's win in her new division. The former bantamweight title challenger seems primed for a shot at the flyweight crown. Up to the minute UFC Fight Night 125 results include: Valentina Shevchenko death, Priscila Cachoeira via submission, rear naked choke, round 2, 4:25.